So you want to know the real secrets to getting rich? Let me break it down for you in just 1 minute. If we haven't met, my name is Natanya and I'm here to share 4 ways with you to build serious wealth. Some of these might surprise you, but they're real deal. No fluff, just actionable steps. First, invest in yourself. Whether it's through education, developing a skill, or learning digital marketing, the best investment is the one you make in your own growth. It's what opens the doors to the other 3 ways. Second, start a business. But not just any business. Find something that aligns with your passions and has a proven system behind it, like digital marketing, where you can work 2 hours a day, have a done for you system, and you don't even require any experience. Third, create multiple streams of income. Don't rely on one source of income. With the right approach, like the interactive program I'm part of, you can build passive income while still having time for other passions. Finally, leverage automation. The key to scaling your wealth is making money while you sleep. That's why a done-for-you sales system is so powerful. It works 24/7 without you needing tech skills or following. Now, I know this might sound overwhelming, but trust me, it's not. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a huge following. The right tools, resources, and systems can make this path accessible to anyone. If you want to learn more, leave me a comment and I will share the information with you. And remember, the road to riches starts with the first step.